Welcome. If you want to stay updated whenever someone tags you in a photo on Instagram, turning on the Photos of You notifications is the way to go. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to help you enable these notifications quickly and easily. First, start by opening your phone's Settings app. This is where you control all your app permissions and notifications. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. This will show you a list of all the applications installed on your device. From that list, find and select Instagram. This opens the app-specific settings. Now tap on Notifications. This is where you manage all the notification preferences for Instagram. You'll see a section called Notification Categories. Tap on it to reveal different types of notifications Instagram can send you. Look for the option labeled Photos of You. This controls notifications specifically for when someone tags you in a photo. Finally, toggle the switch next to Photos of You to the on position. This will activate notifications, so you'll get alerted every time someone tags you in a photo on Instagram. That's it. By following these steps, you'll never miss a moment when friends or followers add you to their photos. Remember, keeping these notifications on helps you stay connected and engaged with your Instagram community. If you want to customize other notifications, you can explore the notification categories to tailor alerts for comments, messages, or new followers. But for now, enjoy getting notified every time you appear in a photo. Thanks for watching, and happy Instagramming.